The OnePlus Nord CE3 5G impresses with an eye-catching display, high-performance chipset, robust camera setup, and a strong battery with quick charging. OnePlus Nord CE3 5G design. The OnePlus Nord CE3 5G features a boxy design with rounded edges, ensuring a more comfortable grip, along with a central punch hole cut out for the selfie camera and slender bezels. On the rear, you'll find a dual circular ring arrangement that houses the triple camera and LED flash, while the USB Type-C port, speaker grille, and main microphone reside at the bottom. One significant departure in design from its sibling, the Nord 3, is the absence of an alert slider, a feature that would have been an advantageous addition to the Nord CE3. The phone's body is plastic, however, the Aqua Surge color variant mimics a glass-like feel at the back. An understated grey color variant is also available. Regardless of your color preference, you will benefit from an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance. OnePlus Nord CE3 5G display. Sporting a 6.7-inch FHD plus AMOLED display with a resolution of 2412 by 1080 pixels, the Nord CE3 provides vibrant visuals with a 120Hz refresh rate, P3 color gamut, 10-bit color depth, and HDR10+ support. The screen offers nice viewing angles, adequate outdoor brightness, and a pleasurable multimedia experience, enhanced further by a dual stereo speaker setup. OnePlus Nord CE3 5G camera. The camera setup consists of a 50-megapixel Sony IMX 890 primary sensor, accompanied by an 8-megapixels ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2-megapixels macro sensor, all of which ensure superior imaging capabilities, including 4K video recording at 30 FPS. OnePlus Nord CE3 5G battery. The OnePlus Nord CE3 5G battery packs a 5000 mAh unit, assuring over a day's usage on a single charge. It also boasts exceptional charging speeds, courtesy of the included 80W fast charger, capable of replenishing the phone from 0 to full capacity in around 30 minutes. Given the large battery size, this fast charging feature is particularly noteworthy and is sure to be highly valued by those who frequently use their device. OnePlus Nord CE3 5G performance. The OnePlus Nord 3 5G processor distinguishes the Nord CE3 5G from the OnePlus Nord 3 5G. While the Nord 3 comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 9000 SoC, the Nord CE3 operates on a Snapdragon 782G chipset with 8 cores running at up to 2.7 GHz, offering a performance boost of 5% in CPU and up to 10% in GPU performance compared to its predecessors. Combined with up to 12 GB of RAM, this phone excels at multitasking and running demanding games like Call of Duty Mobile, albeit with the device warming up slightly during extended gaming sessions. OnePlus Nord CE3 5G software. On the software front, both the Nord CE3 and Nord 3 are the first OnePlus devices to come with Oxygen OS 13.1, a clean, minimal, and fuss-free Android 13 skin. OnePlus promises 2 major Android updates and a third year of security updates for the Nord CE3, which is slightly less compared to the Nord 3 and some competing brands like Samsung.